Santa Claus is coming to town. Hello guys, I'm Mr. Hat. I love Christmas. And this is the Christmas present game. You can play in pairs or groups. Teacher-student, student-student, or teacher and students, or Team A, Team B, whatever way you think it's cool. Also, you or your teacher can choose whatever sentence pattern you want to practice. There is a bicycle in the blue box, or it's in the blue box. Where is the bicycle? What's in the blue box? Anyway, whatever you want to use.
The grand piano is in the yellow present box. The toy car is in the blue present box. The fish is in the red present box. The stereo is in the green present box. Good job. Where is the stereo?
It's in the green box.
Where is the fish?
It's in the red box.
Where is the grand piano?
It's in the yellow box.
Where is the toy car?
It's in the blue box.
Awesome.
A soccer ball, a yo-yo, a bicycle. Where is the yo-yo?
It's in the blue present box.
Where is the soccer ball?
It's in the green present box.
I want a soccer ball. I want a yo-yo. I want a bicycle. I want a jump rope. I want a soccer ball. I want a bicycle. I want a bicycle. I want a bag. You can also play Karate game. I want
a grand piano.
I want
A jump rope.
I want
A soccer ball.
Hello little guys! I want to show how to play the present game with our friends. We love this game Mr. Hat made for us. I hope you have fun! Bye! Oh, I forgot to say, we wish you a Merry Christmas! Bye!
key is in the pink box. And the pencil case is in the purple box. The pencil case is in the purple box. Is in the green box.
Computer.
Okay, what is in the purple box?
Bicycle.
Okay, what is in the yellow box?
Stereo.
Okay, stereo. Yeah. What is in the blue box?
Jump rope.
What is in the red box?
Yo-yo.
What is in the pink box?
Fish.
Motion data fish.